Hi guys, today we've got here Google Pixel 8a and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is our desired panel. Now here you've got the current keyboard. To change it, just mark on settings icon, go to languages and tap on add keyboard. You can either scroll all the way down till you find your desired language, or in search area enter the language that you want to use. Tap on done, and now you can remove unnecessary language if you want to, or leave more than one language. So let me show you how it works with two languages. Here you've got one keyboard, and by tapping on this word icon you can switch to another one. Obviously, once you've got one keyboard only, let me show you, this icon disappears, and here you can use a keypad in one language only. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.